Have you ever wondered why your stomach growls, or why hiccups just won't stop? Today we'll uncover 10 strange sounds your body makes and the science behind them. 1. Stomach growling. That rumbling noise in your stomach is called borborygmi. It happens when your stomach muscles contract to move food and gas around even when you're hungry. 2. Hiccups. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm suddenly contracts, making your vocal cords snap shut. That's why you hear that funny hic sound. 3. Burping. Burps happen when extra air escapes from your stomach through your mouth, usually from eating too fast, drinking soda, or even chewing gum. 4. Sneezing. A sneeze is your body's way of blasting irritants like dust or pollen out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour. 5. Coughing. Coughs are simply your lungs pushing out unwanted particles, mucus, or irritants to clear your airways. 6. Snoring. Snoring happens when air vibrates the relaxed tissues in your throat while you sleep. That's why it gets louder if you sleep on your back. 7. Yawning. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it helps cool down your brain and bring in more oxygen. 8. Popping joints. That cracking sound when you stretch your knuckles? It's gas bubbles collapsing in your joint fluid, not your bones breaking. 9. Humming in your ear. Sometimes your ear makes a buzzing or humming sound called tinnitus. It's often caused by stress, loud sounds, or earwax buildup. 10. Hiccups while laughing. Ever laughed so hard you got hiccups? That's your diaphragm going into overdrive from the rapid breathing while laughing. So the next time your body makes a strange sound, you'll know the cool science behind it. Which one surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe Know More for mind-blowing and amazing facts every day.